So it's out with the old and in with the new when it comes to reliable communications. Let me tell you why the R2 and the CP100d two-way radio from Motorola Solutions are both excellent options to replace the now discontinued CP200d. Hello, I'm Malcolm Turner, Tech Solution Specialist at Wireless Solutions. And today I'm going to compare the features of the discontinued CP200d with the all-new R2 and the longtime workhorse, the CP100d, so you can make an informed decision about the future communications of your business. The CP200d was a best-selling radio in the construction, industrial, and manufacturing markets for decades. But its features and function have become outdated, and Motorola Solutions decided to discontinue the CP200d and offer a slimmer, durable, and more lightweight radio packed with its functions as its direct replacement, the R2. In this video, we will also look at an additional option, the CP100d. First, let's start with why choose the R2. My top 3 reasons include battery life, the exceptional audio quality, and more channels. Let's look at the radios side by side. You will notice the R2 is slimmer and lighter than the CP200d, but still has the same durable qualities. Next, let's look at the battery. The battery on the R2 is different, and for good reasons. The R2 battery is smaller and has the capacity for up to 26 hours of battery life compared to the CP200d's 19 hours. It's important to note that even though the batteries are different, you can continue to use the same single unit and multi-unit chargers for either. Let's talk audio quality. The Motorola Solutions R2 two-way radio delivers excellent audio quality thanks to its advanced noise suppression technology and powerful speaker output. This radio automatically adjusts volume based on ambient noise levels to filter out background noise, even in the loudest environments, so users can hear and be heard clearly. It's pretty amazing. Another reason the R2 surpasses the CP200d is channel capacity. With 64 channels, the R2, compared to only 16 channels in the CP200d, offers significantly more flexibility in terms of communication groups, making it ideal for larger teams or organizations with multiple departments. I also want to mention these few specs on the R2 radio to note. Number 1, the R2 has several different antenna options. Number 2, the Motorola R2 comes with an IP55 rating, which means it's resistant to elements like rain, dust, and light splashes, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging or outdoor industrial environments. Number 3, the R2 can be programmed to analog or digital frequencies. Number 4, the R2 uses many of the same accessories, but does have a more advanced noise-canceling speaker microphone, the PMMN 4148, giving you hands-free radio use and better audio quality than the CP200d version. Up next, let's look at the CP100d in comparison to the CP200d. The radios look and feel very similar. Here's a side-by-side of each unit to get an idea of the size comparisons. So why choose the CP100d to replace or add to your CP200d fleet? Here are a few of my reasons. Number 1, the CP100d comes in non-display, limited display, and full keypad, allowing for expanding functionality such as DTMF and channel capacity. Number 2, the radios have similar battery life. Number 3, both the non-display CP100d and CP200d have 16 channels, so you won't have to sacrifice channel capacity. Number 4, both radios can be programmed to analog or digital frequencies. Number 5, while the CP100d and the CP200d do not use the same multi-unit and single-unit chargers, the CP100d does use the same audio accessories and the same antennas as the CP200d. That wraps up my comparison of the R2 and CP100d to the discontinued CP200d. I hope this helps you make a better informed decision when buying new radios or implementing a different radio into your current radio fleet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and like and share our channel for more two-way radio information. Thanks for watching.